Got Katie and Joey on board today. As per usual, Cooby's blowing pretty hard. We're moving up to the northern arm and maybe move up into the creek later on. Katie on here, first fish of the day. Oh, he's a nice fish. Well done. Oh, that's a snodger. We've got Joe here just about to release this solid little yellow that Katie caught. What a beautiful fish. Oh no!
Did you have one on?
I had one on.
Yeah. Never mind.
I reckon I lost him right here.
Katie with a really good fish here. Oh no!
Again! Now I definitely gave it to that one.
Yeah, no, you're not doing anything wrong. They're just
Sneaky little buggers.
Yeah.
I'm going to put red back on. They seem to want red, don't they?
Yeah.
Red or black.
That one hurt my belly. That one.
I told you.
Oh yeah, so fun, Joe.
deep
got a
cycle
real big
back.
one, yeah.
We've got a deep cycle. One of those wheelchair ones.
And also carry a spare.
Yeah, he's got his little spare and his big one. You just need the battery.
Mum, you're about to stop dropping.
So hook it right at the end. Hit it really hard right at the beginning.
Just hold you right up.
They want it, yeah. They want it.
Might troll round to the other point. The wind's pushing us. Good yellow.
You got the net there, mate? Beautiful. Loaded. Loaded.
Oh, sorry. Cross swords. Beautiful.
Beautiful little yellow.
Because of that little lure.
GoPro, stop recording.